Welcome back YouTube to the Scientist Kid, and in today's video we're going to be making our own DIY igniters. Let's hop right into it. Alright, so here I'm pouring in the igniter one. I have two different ones. As you can see, the red jar over there. This one is 65% potassium nitrate, 35% sucrose, 5% red iron oxide to make it really powerful because it's the igniter. And I'm just going to go ahead and preheat this. And I'm going to be stirring this around, and once it starts to caramelize into like a paste, I'll bring y'all back. Alright, as you can see, it's starting to caramelize a tiny bit. Go ahead and collect some of the other ones, and go ahead and cut it off now. Alright, I'll bring this over to here. A little palette. Alright, so we have the paste on the little palette. We're going to just stick the igniter with the nichrome wire on the end in it. Alright, so it's a pain in the butt to get, so I did it off camera. You can see, got it on the end of the tiny nichrome wire in the middle of all that. And this is just the normal one you get for the model rockets, but I got it without the pyrogen on the end. And that's basically it. You just stick that in your rocket, attach the leads to it, and light it off.